Kublai pi baro asha kutup Khubor jongi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ka sngi kilong. Shong shit ka shat suk men sim hamauro. Sange shipor ka jingye khi kinong hikai ka khasi jantia Deficit Teacher Association. Jur ka khai to masi kiudor ka do masi. To mentang ini phai shi ki Khubor ki ba company. Ka jing shat suk men sim ka di ka wei na gi jing shat ai ngo ye ublei try kan rat ha ka rukom ten ra jong khon khasi kara. Kani ka jing shat kare ka bala abanya shem banta da baro ki khon khasi kan thei bat shenrang bat ai ngo kerpang ye ki jing kur khu jong ublei ha usnam bala len bat ban kerpa de ki jing kur khu na ka banta usnam ban wan ha ka jing sedang ban thung ban tep bat ka pas sedang ru ya ka ayom per em la ban ye ki nong shat kan thei bat shenrang ki baya shat shit raham harang kat ka sing kat ha ka put ka tem bat ki sur ba bang jong ka tang muri ha ka shat suk men sim bala penlong da ka maulai seng khasi ha mauro ha bakran shikilat pathai Khubor usin rop langkar shieng ubalong assistant secretary jang ka sengkhasi sengkmi ula ongba kani ka jing shat ka longru ban penne pan sa ya ka riti ka dustur bareus pa joka bri uhnyo trap hnyo sko.
Before we start sowing for this new year also, we give thanks to the Creator so that as he has blessed us last year, so he will continue to give us bountiful harvest and bless us this year also. Yeah, the importance of that, as I've already mentioned, it is a Thanksgiving festival in which we give thanks to the Creator as He has protected us for the last year, and He'll continue to protect us and shower a bountiful harvest and good prospect in every spheres of life. Yes, the dance, it reflects the social aspect because it respects. Through this dance, you can easily make out the position in which the male occupies in the caste social fabric and the position in which the female occupies in the social fabric, and especially through the costumes in which they wear, it really reflects what a Khasi position, what a Khasi male position is and what a Khasi female position is.
Hagini ki khendiat tayo balalen na kalyang kinong hikai deficit haka Jylla hapo kalama jong ka khasi jantia Deficit Teacher Association kilapan long e ka jingya ki halor ki jingdawa ba pher ki ba kilapan sngo sha ka sarkar Jylla reklam kanu ka jingpan sngo na ka sarkar kilarai ban pen sange no shwai ka jingya ki na ka daw ka jingkiu ki ba yo ka khlam covid khat khandai
mau ba sisien ngila wan ong sha ki ba chapi ki press ba ngila long ready ya ka second phase Ray hadu mentaro ni pat terikam bat ngela ong ru ya ki para nong hikai ba ya kanika second phase ngin sa implement ladang ila so don kam but ngin sa ipo ri ginong hikai jungi ap pusa kunta bangin terikam ya tu ngaklam ong ha din ap sa kunta ngin terikam ya second phase agitation di yamenta kerpa biang ki para nong hikai ki bidan association ban smubha ban sumpu ya ka situation ka balong menta kanika cases ka nang spike shibun ha state giwi states la nang he shu ti kum ki nong hikai ki balong responsible kim kwa ban add extra burden kim kwa ban add ka jing jar ka kham bon ya fight by di kena school dak pengiya chakmat ki agitation ya menta mende mi ongin e no shwa ki don kibi ki lat ni agitate menta ngidang ye pun create city ban ni pa prime minister nang tang pun create city ban pa ki human rights national level ban ke state level ban pun tip ye ki ka jar ki jungi the kini other means of agitation it need not be disruptible agitation along peaceful agitation. And we will see and play by ear lanu on khat chief minister yang ni ngidang ya yap hi kata ban ngidang ya kermen hi on khat
ka jingele kai kabadi kare ka wei na ka jingele kai ba pau hakari India hagini kis nambalalen layo ie ka jinge shimbanta ki samlana ka Jylla bakanang kiu na kalyang uroki hek ubalong chief advisor all Meghalaya Kabaddi Association ka Jylla haba ai ki kentien sedang hak program ulaya thoba ka jingle kai kabadi kala ban long ka ba ai jakpo lada ki samla ki shimkhia ban kentiu yala de hagane ka jingle kai kabadi.
We are very happy to announce here that for the first time we have introduced kabaddi in Meghalaya. After forming this association, we have started a coaching camp for 1 month in Jain Sports Complex Polo Ground. And there we are very happy also to announce here that the BSF coach in Kabaddi, Ram Kumar, has given a free coaching camp for all the aspirants and those who have already played kabaddi, especially from NCC and JNV school. And it is our dear request also to the parents of here in Shillong and in Meghalaya as a whole, if they can send their sub-junior player, it is free registration for them, and they have to come down to Polo at around 4 p.m. so that they can register their players, and it is free of cost. And you know, kabaddi is a native game of India. It is part of the known to be a contact sports. So Northeast have a national talents as quoted everywhere to have a national talents in martial arts. So kabaddi is a contact sport and martial arts is a contact sport. We hope that with this national talents in contact sports, Meghalaya will come up one day in kabaddi.
Hakini kisngi la sakhi ke jingkiu dor ka do masi haki babon ki jaka jong ka Jylla. Kani ke jingkiu dor ka penlong hipat ba babam do masi ban knyum namar ka jingkiu dor palat put. Ka balakot shadu saus pa san paushi kilo. Habayo banyakran berubah ji waralpi ubalong president jaka khasi jantia Butchers Welfare Association lalap ba ka jingkiu dor palat put jong ka do masi kalong namar ka jingjur palat ka khayi tu yaki masi sha Bangladesh balada ka sorkar kamla bante la kam yakani kan bu hakaba iki pa ba nong bam ba kinong di do masi kumjo
ti katakan kumbangi lakren ba ho ya kaya dia ya thiet menta ya kalu kanu ni sungthu hi ba habadan ka bisala man thiet ya kanu handre kum ya kanu pamar kabadan idan jing subah kemud ka sarkar ka di bante lakam ka nya kata kenang begini ki mesti kemud kinum ya lai handre boros kata nilai i begitu ki bria ki ba persang man rai ki masih ban persang ban penkam sa Shillong mo nong ti kisu nong buno kisu persang ban le kan madai mo to ngidan sen chata ngidan dukan chata handai gitu gijak no hadian jung ar hajar kat kenda hadian bala ai ketika salam hakapur bagi ai ke notification ketika salam kemudian ketika jalut baru dan bakali way banket chalo banra ini mesti kata kalau penduk bor sisa-sisa ini bakal penlong sundan ini mentawat tang untuk mesti kepada bendung si jeka dok kamu mesti tang je
ke kini kita persepsi yang sausan oke yang bom ke domestik sampai ko kita wakati waktu wakaya di Semarang mata step direct ke Semarang bagi kamar bawan hayo lu kaduna banta rumah step direct kamar ba itap na euro ni atap tang strap kene kakak arskan atap tang kan rukuli te kini kindo saka bang atap tang sekrateli krateli lapulu tu tang bakali so kamar orang balat Khubor serta komla kamar sini mengisi tilaka tu masih tidak sih ini masih dan kena kilo tip sekarang tip Shillong masih dan kena kilo dangi dan milak bah madan masih yang dok no yang tak was 4 kilo sama dapat dan tang prapo dan buat mesti cekak posting kado masih
Hakah Rio tarik mentau benaya yong ar hajar ar phuwei menteri uba pet ya katanat PHE uba renik ton lengdo tongkar ulalum ya kijing lang bat kinong peniat ka hima mau plang banyakran halor ki kenrum kenram habaya day bat kajing shna pendap ya ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme jangka phase 3 habaya kran bakilat pathai Khubor ulaya thoba kawena kajing ka longba ka hima mau plang kamsha ban pendap ya kajing shna pendap ya ka stage 2 pumping station namarba ka department ka klempat ai jubab halor kajing te soskular bat ka hima ban thungka miki trash nong ka hakani katanat PHE
division has attended the meeting. We call purposely to solve the issues and problem that Hima Moklang has expressed in the process of the execution of work to complete the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. As you all know that the department and the government as a whole, we are very serious to complete this Phase 3. And today we've called this meeting to solve one of the issues that the Hima Moplang has not allowed the department to execute with the work the construction of stage 3 pumping station, the construction of stage 2 pumping station, by alleging that the department has not responded to the agreement that is there with Moplang, with Hima Moplang, with regards to the appointment of the staff in the department. So we had long meeting, 2 hours meeting with them. And from the department, we had expressed to them that we are very keen, very serious. And all these years, the department has responded to the agreement, and they have given appointment to many people of Moplang itself. But about the regularization, yes, those staff joined prior to 1997, it has been regularized. But after that, of course, they work on contractual basis. So it has not been regularized. So that's the concern from the Moplang, that they wanted that those people should be regularized.
Badak itu ki Khubor ngila poisha ka bakut tat hadu bangin da syambiang khublei shibu.